Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're gonna learn how to draw a cute little chibi girl like this. Okay, this is just my reference, so it will turn out better than this. This is just reference. So anyways, yeah, let's just start. Okay, so the first step is to draw a big U shape for her face. So for this, use a pencil as we will have to erase some parts later. Okay, so now the next step is to draw her hair. Now the hair is a bit tricky, so that's why I'm gonna make a few parts easier. So first, take a point about here and another point about here. Don't worry if your points are going out of this curve because we're gonna erase this part. Now take them down and draw the strand of hair. I'm going to erase this so that you can see it properly. Okay, now I'm gonna do the same thing on the other side. Okay, so this is what it looks like. Now we need to draw the ears. I'm gonna draw one C shape here and a flipped or a mirrored C shape on the other side. And draw a tiny curve. Okay, great. Now take a point from this ear and make a curve which goes till about here. Not the exact center. We need to leave some space. And I'm gonna do the same thing on the other side. So I'm just gonna make this better. Okay, now as you can see, I've left a tiny gap in between. So if you want, you can connect it, but I'm going to leave the gap. It makes it look more like real hair. Okay, now let's draw the front bangs. I'm gonna take this line and I'm gonna extend it a bit. I'm gonna go down, up, down, up, down in the other direction, up, down in the other direction, and up. Okay, now we're gonna draw a few lines inside just to show the texture. Okay, now let's start with the face. So now let's make the eyes. I'm gonna draw two ovals and two tiny circles inside. These are gonna be the shine. Let's draw eyelashes and eyebrows. I'm gonna move these a bit down. She looks like a clown right now. Okay, that make her look more serious. I'm just gonna color this in. We're gonna color it later with a marker. Okay, now let's draw a tiny dot for the nose and a big smile. Now let's move on to her body. Only part of her body is in this. So I'm going to make two curves for the neck. Okay, now I'm gonna make curve here and a curve on the other side too. And I'm gonna make a line coming down from both of them till about the center. I'm gonna draw two opposite curved lines like this connecting. So this is gonna be the collar of her shirt. Now connect this line with this side of the collar and that line with that. Okay, now simply draw two curves and we're done with her body. So you think this is done? What's missing? Oh yeah, the buns. I totally forgot. Actually, I did. So to draw the buns, let's first draw a big curve and draw a few more. Okay, I added some texture. Now let's draw the bow. I'm going to take a line from here and going to make a small, you can say, triangle shape. Gonna do the same thing. And I'm gonna erase the lines inside so that you can see it better. And draw some lines for shading. Okay, now I'm gonna do the exact same thing on this side. Draw curve, another curve. Don't worry if it gets cut off. I'm gonna draw the bow. Okay, and we are done. How do I show this entire thing? Also, if you were like to erase the buns and the ribbons and all, then she looks very similar to Zoe. She's a character in the new movie K-pop Demon Hunters. Like the movie is so interesting. Now I'm going to add a bit of color, but you can also leave this. Okay, so I'm done outlining and coloring. And like the entire recording process, whatever I have recorded, it took me around 35 minutes. But this video till now it's only 9:37 minutes. So I don't know how it takes so much time. And I know my coloring is very rough. I mean, right now the hair looks still okay, but if I zoom into 4x, can you see that? Oh my god, this is so legit. Every line which I made is like shimmering pasta. Every single one. Duh, I want to eat this pasta. Yum yum, my tummy. So, anyways, this is my final artwork. So, this is not showing her full body and it's just a plain background, but you can change that. You can maybe show her holding like a book, a mic, a paintbrush, anything. You can maybe show the background like a stage or a classroom, anything you like. So if you liked today's video, don't forget to like and subscribe. Until next time, bye.